Nicebay Cordless Vacuum. Got one right here. This was provided to me by Nicebay to test and demonstrate. That's what I'm going to do here. And this is going to be coming in very, very handy because, as you see behind me, I have a lot of 3D printers. Got them all silent today, so it's a little quieter up here in the loft. And what I'll be using this mostly for is cleaning up around the 3D printers. Because if you have a 3D printer, you know you'll get all them little particles or little pieces of spaghetti that can just kind of fall everywhere and kind of hard to clean up. This is going to be a deal for that. I hope. We're going to find out. And it'll also probably be handy for when the carpet in the truck gets a little messy. It's cordless, handheld. I'm going to get it out of the box here. I did open the box. Got a lot of little parts and pieces here, so we'll see what we got. Got an instruction manual. That's always good. Then we have some attachments. Looks like a filter. I don't know if that's a spare or the one that needs to be put in. Don't know yet. We have, looks like this is like a charging dock, it looks like here. And this looks like it can be mounted on a wall. So I haven't even looked at the book here. We're going to see how all this stuff works here shortly. Oh, I see, this goes in here. That's kind of self-explanatory. Please ensure it snaps in completely, otherwise it may not charge. Takes a little bit of force there, but you can get it. Got a little wall wart charger on it. It's a little brush attachment here. You can put on the end of a crevice nozzle. It's kind of cool. And here's the little vacuum itself. Well, it's got some suction to it, doesn't it? So this thing sucks. That's a good thing. It's got a higher speed too. But the battery is not charged very much, so we need to get this thing charged first. So I'm going to get it stuck on the charger here. Looks like it just slips in like this. And we'll plug this in and I'll get this thing charged and I'll try it out around these printers because I got a mess back here. One of the places that gets to be a big problem with 3D printers is you get all these little pieces of, I know the lighting's not the best here, those little pieces of spaghetti and plastic particles all over, and they're hard to clean up. I put the little crevice tool on here. This is a low speed. And getting into them little channels right there on that 2040 extrusion, it just picks it right up. I can crank this up to high speed. Yeah, one back there tangled around a cord. Does a fantastic job of picking up all those little particles that get all over the place. So as you can see, this thing really sucks. And it does a fantastic job of getting into them little fine places, especially when I put this little crevice tool on. I can get into really tiny spots. And it does come with this other attachment here too if you want to do something more broad like the carpeting your truck. And this filter they send with it, this is a spare. There is one in here already, and okay, you picked all this junk up, how do you empty it? You push this little button right here, this tilts down. Your filter has a little tiny ring on it. Just pick that up. See, I got some fuzzies in there, will knock off. And then everything you picked up just drops right into the trash. And you can pull on the front to get the big stuff out. Like so. This clips back in. It's got a little flapper there to keep things from coming back out. Let's say you vacuum up some stink bugs or something. We have a lot of them around here. That's a good way to get rid of them. You vacuum them up, then take them out and dump them out. This will keep it from crawling back out. So put that back in. We'll drop our filter back in there. This just hinges together like this. There's a little nipple thing at the bottom there you put in, and it's back in, and you're ready to go. So this, again, this was provided to me by Nicebay. This is a model H061. Nice little cordless vac. I mean, and it being this compact and small, it's just absolutely ideal for what I have up here. So this is going to live up here in the loft. It'll get a lot of use. Again, this was provided to me, but I have nothing bad to say about this. This is a nice little unit. So if you'd like to get one, I'll put a link in the description, available on Amazon. So if you got anything out of this, appreciate getting a thumbs up. Always helps the channel. I'm Roger in the loft above the shop. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. I got more cleaning to do.